Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a bed in Icarus. Now making a bed in Icarus helps you with setting up a spawn point, basically allowing you to respawn wherever you want. Now, to make a bed, first over on the tech tree, in the tier 1, you can find the bedroll right here. You can make this through the use of 20 pieces of fiber, 10 pieces of stick, 20 pieces of fur, and 10 pieces of leather. Now for leather, if you are wondering where to get this, you can just get these from deer or any large herbivore that you can hunt around the area. For fur, the best one that I've gotten from that is by killing some rabbits that are roaming around the area. Now, once you've got all of those materials ready, you can then make a bedroll. Let me just get the rest of the sticks right now, and then craft our very own bedroll right here. Now by pressing down on my hotbar, I can just place down my bed somewhere around maybe here. And once I place it down, there's going to be an option right there which says hold F to set your spawn point. So I'm gonna do that right now. And now my bed is currently now my spawn point. And that's pretty much about it on how to make a bed in Icarus.